Ready to unlock a super secure and easy way to pay using your phone. First, fire up your Revolut app. Make sure you already have a virtual card set up. If you don't, tap the plus sign and create a new virtual card. Now, find the virtual card you want to use with Apple Pay and tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. It's usually right below the card details. You'll be taken to your Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. This might involve entering a security code sent to your phone or email. To pay in stores, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your Apple Pay will activate. Make sure your Revolut virtual card is selected. Hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see the check mark or hear the beep indicating a successful transaction. It's that simple. For online shopping, look for the Apple Pay logo at checkout. Tap it and follow the prompts to confirm your payment using Face ID or Touch ID. Remember, virtual cards offer extra security. You can freeze or delete them instantly within the Revolut app if needed, giving you complete control. Now, go enjoy the convenience and security of using your Revolut virtual card with Apple Pay.